Okay, this is HD105, the full French lace base. We have another full French lace base, which is M105. The difference between M105 and HD105 is the density. So this one has medium density, 120%. In the regular M105, they have 110% density at the front and then 100% density at the last. As you can see, this is the lace base, which is a little bit stretchable. So you should keep in mind the specification about the material. And this is full French lace base, so you can cut down to any size. But there is a minimum required front to back 7 3/4 because of the crown area. The client wants to cut down 6 side to side and 8.5 on the back. Okay, and let me start it. So lace base, there is an empty lace all around the unit. Mark where is the hairline started. Hairline start from this line, right? Do not measure from the very edge. You should measure from the where hairline started. Make sure. So go all the way down to the right to left. Also, there's empty skin perimeter all around the head. You should mark down where hairline start. And measure from mark to mark. 8.5. Sometimes we normally have the 8x10 size basically for this unit, but sometimes it's really not match. And this point 8.5. And we need to cut down 6. So this is 6 to 2.5 difference. So for both sides, I need to go 1 inches and quarter. There's 1 inch and the quarter. Let me mark down here. Same thing. 1 inches and quarter. Okay. Mark. Let me measure again. Mark to mark. The second mark. 6. Correct? Yep. 6. And front, same thing. Mark the hairline first. Go all the way down. It's supposed to be 8.5. Okay. I don't put much pressure on this unit. 8.5 mark. Alright. Alright. Okay, so we done with the mark. Front, as you know, just straight down. You should see this is the middle of the unit. You should make a even both sides, even the width for the both sides. It's going to be 6, right? Okay, I think I make a good shape. It's 6. See, right? Can you see this looks good? Okay. I think it's done. Let me check with the front shape. Alright. Okay, so it's time to cut. can remove all the pin before cutting the unit. Lace base is a little bit more easier other than other unit. Put your blade little by little. HD105 is one of popular unit in sports pieces because the lace base is really breathable and it has like high density and natural looking because it's lace. Alright, I cut all the way. The cut has been done. The shape is fine. The shape is totally fine. So last check, the final check. The 6. Okay, show the 6. Check from the hairline all the way around. Eight and a half front back. Perfect. And last procedure, remove the hair being cut. Not much hair from the base in this case. Or you can just brush